Hello everyone, welcome on GK Talks. Here I am with a new educational video, and today's video is based on the explanation and summary related to class 7 English book, and the topic, the poem which we are going to discuss today in this video is named Chivi. Let's start. First of all, I want to talk about the poet. The poem Chivi has been composed by poet Michael Rosen. The poem deals with the feelings of the poet like other small kids who feel irritated by their elders who always instruct them to do or not to do. The poem is about the instructions that elders keep on giving to children. Children are not capable of making up their minds, and so elders have to keep on reminding them all the time. The poem Chivi is a catalogue of various do's and don'ts that the grown-ups dictate to young children. The adults constantly give a list of instructions to the children about how to sit, how to talk, how to eat, and so on. The poem indicates a passage of time when the young child has grown up and is incapable of taking a decision on his own. The same adults then chide the grown-up child for not being able to think independently. Now let's do the stanza-wise explanation. In the first stanza of the poem, the poet points out to a series of instructions given by the grown-ups. The poem opens with a long list of instructions. In all likelihood, these instructions are being issued by the adults to their young ones. Speak up, don't talk, while your mouth is full of food, and so on are just a few examples. In the second stanza, the poet continues to put an emphasis on how the young children are directed to act in accordance to the instructions issued by the adults. The second stanza of the poem continues with yet another set of instructions. Each and every activity of the young child is administered and put under the surveillance of grown-ups. Cases how the child is still being reprimanded by the adults, though the child has grown up. The final couplet of the poem shows that perhaps the young child has grown up. However, the adults around him continue to reprimand him, but this time for a different reason. The child is unable to decide anything for himself. He is not certain about anything. So the grown-ups always say things like speak up, don't stare, don't point, don't poke your nose, sit up, say please, less noise, etc. The poet leaves a question to elders: why can't they keep their suggestions to themselves? So it's a good poem. Just go through this explanation. It will be helpful to understand the basic concept related to the poem. You can check other videos related to English literature and English grammar of grade 7. Links are flashing on your screens. You can check all that. I hope all the videos will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.